Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's go to number 3. So in number 3, write the pronouns that come before the verb. So if I take verb speak, can we say speak me? Or me speak? No. Can we say me speak? No. Can we say my speak? No. So we say I speak. So let's see the answers. So the pronouns that come before the verb, we call them subject pronouns because they come before the verb, because they do the verb. The first pronoun is I. The second pronoun, you. In the third pronoun, we have 3 pronouns: he, she, it. This is singular form. In the plural form, we have we, you, they. So let's repeat after me these pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So why I did, let's practice English number 4, and I repeated these in the 4 lessons. Let's practice English 1, 2, 3, and 4 because they are very, very, very important. And the students, they should know them by heart. You should know them. Okay, you shouldn't have any problem with them, because if you want to continue learning with me in this channel, so you need to know these things. If you don't know them, you cannot continue learning with me, because these are very important and basic.